Welcome to Charts Today. My name is David Linton, and today's edition for Wednesday, the 5th of August, comes to you from London. And we start by looking at the gold price breaking through $2,000 for the first time. Not a big surprise there. We've been bullish on gold for a very long time, and of course, it's still clearly bullish on all three time frames. We've got a new short-term upside target to 2163, and of course, some very big long-term upside targets as well. So, gold rocketing is the news, but that's also a factor of the weaker dollar. We've seen the dollar really declining. We're back into short-term bearish territory here, so that's looking weaker as well, which means that the euro is looking stronger. So we are seeing that there, and sterling sitting at 131. So really rocketing against that weaker dollar as well. Looking at the Bitcoin price sitting at 11,290, so it's holding 11,000, and the S&P 500 index actually was up overnight as well, so we're sitting now above 3,300. Not yet making new highs, of course, but the Nasdaq did make another high yesterday, so we are still seeing this tech driving prices there very much so. The Dow was up 0.3%, and the S&P futures today are up about 1/3%, both the S&P E-mini and the Nasdaq E-mini. So we are seeing markets likely to continue opening a little bit higher, and the VIX volatility is dropping down below 25, and so that is just giving a little bit more encouragement as well. The FTSE future is up 1% this morning, and the cash DAX is up 0.5%. So Europe pushing ahead, and we're seeing the CAC Current up 0.85%. Still short-term bearish, unlike the US markets, and we have long-term we still haven't managed to get into bullish territory. So Europe is still generally weaker than the US. Japan was flat overnight, very little change there. The Hang Seng was up 0.4%. We're still bearish long-term. Medium-term we're looking a little bit better, but short-term still bearish there. And the Chinese market holding on to its gains was up slightly overnight. The Sensex in India up 0.25%. Despite increasing virus worries there, we are seeing the markets holding up. The Aussie market was actually down 0.6%, so it bucked the trend. Gold, of course, we've talked about, above $2,000, and silver is back above this 25 resistance level, now breaking 26, so it's pushing higher as well, so looking very strong there. US 10-year yield sitting at 0.52, so we are just seeing here that we are lower as well. So that is a factor in the gold price. We are just seeing that just slowly descending as well. Taking a look at the energy mix, we've got Brent crude up this morning by 0.2%, so we're seeing a stronger showing there, just edging higher, and WTI also back above the $41 mark, so it's looking a bit stronger as well. US nat gas above $2.20, making new 6-month highs. If we can hold $2.20 for a while, this would be very bullish for the price and recovery. The second go at recovery, the first time we failed, the second time we've made it, so it's looking very strong. Coal is a little changed, sitting around $60, but still looking bullish. Emissions falling back to 26.7, but we are just seeing this general improvement here in the emissions price. So it does look like we're bottoming and now forming a base. We're seeing MBP nudging 20 pence, so we're still seeing quite a strong recovery there. And TTF now sitting at €7.20, so again, now looking like a solid recovery. This is rollover adjusted, of course, so we to deal with the price gap, but we are seeing a general improvement in the gas price in Europe. And the same with TTF. We're seeing here winter gas also looking like a clear recovery, and having bottomed the May June lows, now looking like the bottom. And German power hitting back to €40 this morning, so looking a bit stronger there. That's it for today. Until tomorrow, happy charting. See you then.